It's alright. Hush. I wanna taste your content, hold your breath, and feel your touch.
Hey guys, we've got new wheels on our Prelude, the ordinary, but however better than we had. So I suppose it changed the appearance of our car a bit.
And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word.
It passed almost 3 months we've been driving Prelude, so I decided to visit our club service workshop to check what's up with our suspension. Let's see what we got at the moment and how much will it cost us. Here is our magnificent muffler we got welded, and here you can see the welding not perfect. I know, but it works pretty well.
The tides will turn
Ну, не сейчас.
and I'll be killing
Нормально вроде все.
like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even
I don't push hard, but they have gap.
Ну, то есть в них люфт есть.
Plus stabilizer bar has wear a bit. Seals should be changed. Dust coats are good.
and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Frankly speaking, most rear seals and parts are quite good without big gap. I wouldn't worry about them. Here you can see worn sealants. On those sides sealant was cut.
Так и спереди. Нет, тут просто потрясно. Там оно.
Links should be changed.
Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock.
Even if you finish to change the sealants here, but I suppose it's not so bad. Let it be. It holds good for now.
Cause you got me holding, even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak.
Because I say if we change the sealant here, it would be spoiled fast because of rust. Oh, these are your 4GAN Prelude Nanotech links. They are good, no gap.
Ну, я думаю, что если бы люфтили, то ты бы рукой смог их сильно пошатать.
So after diagnosis the suspension, there are really a lot of parts to change, and some of them are so rusty, and I can't imagine how this happened because the car almost all its life was driven in the good European roads. And we can't really imagine how to unmount these parts. For example, here you can see parts that couldn't hardly be unmounted. Maybe after heating, here you can see. All these bolts have to be unscrewed, the sealant should be changed, we need to repair kits for our rear calipers.
Диски у нас уже тут в таком состоянии.
Rear rotors are worn, here you can see how they look.
Не маленький вот такой вот.
The list appeared to be not small, we will see what could be changed to the original and what to the
Передние тут длинные у
aftermarket.
нас.
Front springs we have broken. Here you can see it's broken. As well as the second front one. Can't imagine how previous owner was driven this car. Good news, the engine is good. No crazy leaks, something like that. To add colors to the monotone exterior of my car, I decided to buy red matte vinyl wrap and to manage some stripes. After few experiments, I decided to stick one wide stripe and one narrow. Evidently, I used power heat gun, and after 2 hours of work the car became much more interesting. Accidentally found tin wrap helped us to get rid of bright yellow driving lights. Many things we wanted to do with our exterior are done. Now the appearance is a bit more interesting and more racing. Let's finish on this, the next episode is very soon, hope. That was interesting, please consider subscribing and thumb up, have a nice day.